DZW servers, return electrical actuators, DZW500. They use protection from gear device and high performance low voltage motors, delivering high torque, high efficiency, and stable practical operation. DLC in design with standard IP67 protection, coming with ISO 510, ISO 511. Multi-standards for harsh environment. Built-in protections include overheat, overload, torque, mechanical, electronic, phase loss protection, ultra-reliable long-term operation, intelligent valves filter, LCD display, filter self-diminished, local control, and industry communication, Modbus RTU, Profibus DC card, Fedbus, widely used in filter valves such as gate valves and global